Still going on programs, Modular chef, red meat, okay, grilled with fillet, okay. If you want to see the settings, okay, is medium. Usually, medium beef is around like 54, okay. But with the oven, you must stay around 10 degrees less because what's happening. The fence is not like cooking on the char grill where the heat comes only from the bottom, okay, and you turn it and then you leave to rest. But with the oven, the fillet of the product, okay, reach the heat from all around, okay, so it's cooking faster. So if you reach 55 degrees, and then you leave to rest, it's going to overcook. Okay, so usually when you cook in the char grill, you keep like 5 degrees less. Okay, then the meat need to rest. Okay, and then you get the right temperature. But with the oven, you must stay below. Okay, like in this case, I'll keep like 10 degrees less. How do you like the meat?
Medium rare.
Medium rare.
Yeah.
And you, sir? Medium. So. Again, I'm going to season it.
So olive oil.
Olive oil and salt.
Yep.
The good thing is that if you can sous vide the beef. Okay. Usually, when I was in Australia, we did a couple of times, and then you finish it off on the pan or in the oven. Depends how you like to cook.
You're in Sydney, but you're in London?
I've been in Brisbane for 6 months because my grandfather owned a pineapple farm. And then I moved, because my mom is from Sydney, I moved in Sydney and did my apprenticeship over there.
Yeah, Sydney.
And did all my working experience in Sydney.
Where were you working in Sydney?
Well, actually in the downtown, like in Darling Harbour.
Yeah.
Just the bridge across, just on the bottom there is a tiny restaurant over there. And then I moved to Circular Quay.
Yeah.
Just where the cruise docking.
Yeah.
So it's the first when you reach Circular Quay, the first restaurant on the top over there. And then it was quite nice. That was fine dining. And then like 1 year we went against Est, the restaurant. Yeah, we went on the final against them for the best fine dining restaurant in New South Wales. And then so that was good, good restaurant.
Yes.
And that's it. And then just help a friend of mine because we live in